Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and I have a very simple and accurate scalping strategy to show you today. And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from overtrading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. Let's start off by opening up a gold chart with a 15-minute time frame. Next, we're going to go to our indicator section and type in wave trend, no spaces, with crosses. And this is the one that we want here by Lone Star 108, and we can see so far it has 17,097 users, so it's a very popular indicator on TradingView. And this is the basic look of it. It has like this moving average, and we can see our buy and sell entry signals here. The red dots are for our sell entries, and the green dots will be our buy entry signals, okay? And the second indicator that we'll use to filter out some of these signals will be the moving average exponential. Let's type in EMA. Here we go. Then let's just go to settings and inputs, and we'll change the length to 200. And then we'll go to style and change the color to yellow. And so when the market is above the EMA line, we know we're in an uptrend and we can enter into buy positions. And if the market is below the EMA line, then that means we're in a downtrend and we can take up selling positions. So let's go ahead and take a look at our chart. So we can see right here the market entering into a downtrend and it's below the EMA line, and we have this sell signal right here. Okay, so this is a good sell signal, and if we check over this side, we can see the market above the EMA line, and we've got a green dot right here which is a buy signal. Okay, so this is a great buy signal at this point. Here's another section again where the market is above the EMA line. We can see it here going up, and here's a green dot here at this candle, so we know this is a good buy signal right here. And this is another section where we see our market going below the EMA line. We can see it's trending downwards, and we've got this red dot here indicating a sell position. Alright, so this is a great sell signal. And let's also take a look at the GBP USD chart. Here's a section right here where the market is going down below the EMA line, and if you look closely right here, there's a little red dot. Okay, so we could take a sell position at this point right here. So here again, we see the market breaking above the EMA line, and if we look down here at the wave trend indicator, we can see a green dot. Okay, and so we know this is a great buy signal right here. So hopefully you can get some success by trying out this strategy. Okay, so thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.